Yeah, hello. I have here my JBL Everest Bluetooth headphones here, and I have these for a couple of years already. So I've been using these a lot lately for like traveling, and eventually these started to break here. Look at this here on the side. If you look here, there's this crack here, a little bigger, then also here another one. And so as you move these headphones, have them in your backpack or whatever, there's a lot of stress on this material here, so eventually you get all these little cracks. And if you don't take care of these here immediately or in time, then something like this happens. What happened to my headphones here? Look at this here, the crack goes all the way through, and then eventually it actually falls apart just like this here. This happened to me yesterday. So you would think, oh my god, these are totally broken, I have to throw them away, buy new ones or whatever. No, I'm going to fix these here, so I'm going to show you how I'm going to do this. So you can repair these pretty easy. It's a really cheap repair actually, and you barely notice afterwards. Of course you look a little bit different, but I think it's still going to be looking okay. So what am I going to do here? First of all, I'm going to put this metal piece here back into the slot where it belongs to here, so that it, fiddle this in here, see, just like this. Okay, and then I got here from the hardware store just this electrical tape, which in this case I picked up a roll of this white tape, since my headphones here are white, so I'm trying to match the color so that this is going to be barely noticeable after my little fix here. So you can't really glue this part here together, so if you try this with glue or plastic welding here, this is not going to work. So I'm just going to use here this electrical tape, and what I'm going to do is here, look at this here, I'm going to start here from the back side where this long big crack is first. I'm going to stick this on here, and then I carefully go around, and I'm going to try to create as little bubbles here as possible. Right, and I'm going to go around two times here, because it's already completely broken, so I want to make sure that this is really going to hold together. Really pull this, and then I cut this here in a way that this is going to, the end here is going to be on the back side here, on the inside of the headphone, so that you don't see this little end piece here. You don't see the edge of the end of the tape here from the outside. So this is already basically now working again. But since there is already also on this side here multiple other cracks here, you can see this here, I'm also going to put more of this electrical tape here on the upper portion of the headphones here. See this? I'm going to do this the same way. I'm going to overlap this actually a little bit, just like this, trying to make no bubbles. And then again, I'm going to cut this off in a way that I can have the end on the inside of the headphones here. Okay, so now since this is now fixed, this is now really sturdy again, I'm going to be able to use these during my travels again. Now I can see these cracks here. This is just an accident waiting to happen, so this is also going to break pretty soon. So I'm just going to put more of the tape on here, and then these headphones are pretty much as new, and I don't have to worry that these are going to break any further. Okay, so yeah, so this is actually true here this is here the Everest Elite 700 series. This is also true for other series. So so for the smaller versions of these headphones. Yeah, so I hope this video was helpful. In case you have any questions, then please leave a comment below, and yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe.